Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Cyanohydrin formation, Kiliani synthesis step, on an aldehyde bearing one chiral center creates a new chiral center at the former carbonyl carbon, giving two possible diastereomers. Step 1. Identify the starting material. D+, glyceraldehyde is a chiral aldehyde with one stereocenter, C2R configuration. Its Fisher projection shows H on the left and O on the right at C2 with ChO at top and CH2O at bottom. Step 2. Reaction with KCN followed by H+. CN acts as a nucleophile attacking the Re or C phase of the aldehyde carbonyl, C1. This creates a new stereocenter at C1, formerly the carbonyl carbon, generating a cyanohydrin. After hydrolysis, H+, a 2-hydroxy acid, glyceric acid derivative, i.e., a tetrose precursor or threose erythrose chain as cyanohydrin, is formed. Step 3. Stereochemical outcome. Because CN can attack either phase of the planar carbonyl, two products are formed, one where the new O at C1 is on the same side as C2O, SYN addition one diastereomer, and one where it is on the opposite side, anti-addition another stereomer. Both products retain the original chiral center at C2 unchanged, it is not inverted. The two products are not mirror images of each other because C2 is fixed in the R configuration in both, so they are diastereomers, not enantiomers. Step 4. Why not the other options? Racemic. A racemic mixture consists of equal amounts of enantiomers. The two products here are not enantiomers because C2 has the same absolute configuration in both, they differ only at C1. So the mixture is diastereomeric, not racemic. Meso. A meso compound requires an internal plane of symmetry. The products here do not have the structural symmetry required for a meso compound, they have two different stereocenters, ChO and O versus ChO, CH2O, with no internal mirror plane. Optically pure enantiomer, the only one phase would need to be exclusively attacked for an optically pure product. Since attack is non-selective, no chiral catalyst, both phases are attacked and a mixture is obtained, ruling this out. Step 5. Conclusion. The two cyanohydrin and subsequently hydroxy acid products formed are diastereomers of each other, example, analogous to erythrose and threose in the Kiliani synthesis of glucose. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.